Wabici-ini nene cia DCI barabara-ini ya Kiambu guku Nairobi nikuo minista wa ukinyaniria Joe Mucheru, murunawe wa wonjoria Peter Munya na wa ugima wa muingi Cecily Kariuki marokire niguo kuhungwo mahuri thutha wa uhoro kwirikana ati mari na njama ya kuraga munini wa President William Ruto.
Yesterday I received a text message from a CID officer by the name Andrew Sang that there were allegations that myself and other senior government officers have been having meetings that have been planning to harm somebody.
Kuringana na Munya uria urerikana ati ni wokoretwo agitongoria micemanio mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi, Ruto ni arahurite thimu kuri maabitha a uthuthuria kuheana mateta macio, no minista ya maugite ati micemanio yao ikoretwo ikirongoreria uthii wa na mbere gicigo-ini gia gatagati ga bururi.
They have confirmed to us that the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya made a call and complained that some cabinet secretaries and some other senior government officers have been meeting at Lamanda, and they gave a specific date of 14th May. And in that meeting, there were plans that were being hatched in that meeting at Lamanda to kill him.
No ona thegia wa gwathwo mekinyie kuri DCI, Munya augite ati matinakora rekodi o ciothe cia kuonania ati kuri na mateta mandikithitio, na gukiri uguo mauga matingicokia ciuria ciigie uhoro utari mwandikithie.
There is no written allegation recorded in the OB that we could respond to.
Igeria ria minista ya kuiguithia maabitha a DCI kwandika uhoro uria uraheanitwo thimu-ini ria rahuritwo ni Ruto ritinagia na umithio, kuona maabitha acio matinetikira. Munya ningi akiuga ati gutikoretwo na mateta o mothe kuma kuri Ruto riria meguikara ndundu-ini ya a minister.
He has never raised these issues formally in any form of government meeting. This is the first time.
Kwa ihinda riri uthuthuria no urathie na mbere na gutabanio wigi uhoro ucio, na minista ya makihanda ati no meguthie na mbere na micemanio iria maugite ndiri na methugunda kana njama o yothe ta uria kwirikanite.
No, I have been able to speak on their behalf.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro gitauritwo ria kuonekemani wa gujiri.